This is Collin Roth, the Wisconsin Institute for Law and Liberty. We're here at WIL headquarters in Milwaukee. I'm joined by Zach Petrizzo, the chairman of the College Republicans, a campus correspondent for campusreform.com, and a freshman from Washington, D.C. Welcome to WIL.
Well, thank you so much for having me. I really appreciate it.
So the McAdams versus Marquette oral arguments are next Thursday, April 19th, 2018. Big case. This has been going on a long time. But first, let's just start off with, you're a conservative. You're in charge of an organization that advances conservative ideas, brings conservative speakers to campus. Given what's going on around the country and on your campus at Marquette with the McAdams case, what's at stake here?
Well, that's a great question, and there's a lot at stake here. I mean, we have a conservative professor that was ultimately fired from his job for speaking about conservative ideas.
Yeah.
And these conservative ideas are very, very important, and dialogue is extremely important on all college campuses. So this case represents something for all college campuses across our country. This is an academic freedom case, and McAdams is
Yeah, so are students paying attention to this? I mean, I don't expect every college kid to know that there's going to be oral arguments and the various amicus briefs, but do you sense that students know this is going on, that they're aware that this is a big deal and this is that a decision is going to come this summer?
Absolutely. So with the university publishing their website and making their side known to the students, I believe that many students are aware of the case and understand the case. And many conservative students are aware of what is exactly at stake.
Because you were telling me earlier that organizations like your own have to have a mentor, have to have kind of a faculty sponsor. I'm guessing there's not a ton of conservative faculty on campus. So seeing what has occurred in the McAdams case, does that make you worried about going forward about the viability of free speech, of conservative organizations, and conservative free expression on campus?
It does. It makes me really concerned, and especially at Marquette University, where we've seen them implement these rules to somewhat constrain free speech and these organizations and how they're able to go about running.
So, what is the atmosphere right now? Do you sense that that students, kind of writ large, not outside of college Republicans, do you sense that they are in favor of more free expression, more civil dialogue, or is there the sense that that some of kind of the activists have taken over, or are they just kind of a loud minority, or do more students want to have these kind of robust dialogue and to be able to say, you're wrong and let me tell you why type thing?
Absolutely. I think more students want that type of dialogue. More students want to engage in dialogue that really flourishes and really gets people talking about issues of our time that are extremely important to all of us.
Yeah, because if you can't do that, I mean, you're on a college campus, you guys are preparing to enter corporate America or politics or nonprofits or what have you, and if you can't find a way to disagree and a way to do it civilly and a way to respect people who you think may be very sincerely wrong, we got a lot of problems. Yeah. So thank you so much for coming by. Zach Petrizzo, chair of the College Republicans, freshman from Washington, D.C., and campus correspondent for campusreform.com. Check out the oral arguments at the Wisconsin State Supreme Court in McAdams versus Marquette on April 19, 2018. Thank you so much for coming by, Zach.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Collin Roth from the Wisconsin Institute for Law and Liberty. We'll catch you next time.